about things.
So today, Mama is going to ask you some questions. Enoch and Keith, who sleeps first?
Keith.
Is Keith who sleeps first? Okay, who gets up fast?
Me.
Okay,
I can after I can see mommy eating.
okay. Who rides bicycle fast?
Me.
Keithu, who rides bicycle fast?
Me.
Okay,
Keith is back. I'm faster.
okay. Who does the homework fast?
Keith.
He is good in studying.
I'm bad at studying.
Oh, is it? Who is fast to eat food?
Me.
And Keithu,
Keith.
I also eat.
I like eating.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the competition among children. So are you ready?
Yeah.
So you have seen how Enoch and Keith are answering the questions I asked them on everyday basis. And when the homework comes or any activity comes and Enoch is given a chance to write first, Keith is always panicked that Enoch will become first. I want to be the first. I don't want to become a failure. So this way he continuously starts speaking. So then I started correcting him because I understood that the competitive spirit is already inculcated in them. So today we are going to discuss the competitive spirit in children. The competitive spirit is there, as I said, right from birth when the millions of sperm is going to meet the egg. The most competent person or the sperm is going to fuse into the egg to form zygote. Same way, the competition is going to extend throughout their lifestyle in the schools and workplace till death. We are competing with one or other things in their life. So as parents, we need to teach our children to have the right competitive spirit because no one taught us how to be competitive. Still now, when I go to an interview or something, that panic feeling or that anxious feeling is always there. Am I become a failure in this, or am I able to get a position? Because you are going to face a competition every point of time. But the right spirit in children help them to have a good sportsman spirit. Moreover, they are going to have a good competitive spirit as well as coping abilities, adjustment abilities, and their leadership styles will be better and they will have a good resilience. We can teach our children the right competitive spirit right from childhood. They are able to cope up the work pressure as well as the life issues in a better way in the later part, because we are not focusing the today's issue, we are inculcating better habits in our children for tomorrow. Let's see what are the healthy ways we can teach a good competitive spirit in children of our age, what means our Enoch and Keith's age. First thing we need to understand that they should understand the fun part of any kind of competition and they should enjoy the most. The one complete difference what I've seen in Enoch and Keith is very competitive and want to get first, whereas Enoch is not bothered about the position, whereas Enoch want to enjoy that particular event to the best. So I have find that thing in life is, in a longer run, Enoch's attitude helps to cope up with any kind of issues so that he will not get hurt even though he is going to be a failure in one or other events in the schools. The next point, we need to always understand that whatever competition comes, encourage them to participate. They may be scared or they may be nervous. Tell them you need to participate so that we can have various interests. We can say I can click photos in that particular makeup. There are various events that Enoch and Keith were dressed up and were in good josh, but when they come in front of camera for some fancy dress or anything, they'll just skip mom or they're about to cry. So nothing to worry about that. They are participating. The more chances they are getting, they will improve their confidence. And another point what we can tell them is, it is not that you are getting first or the second rank, it is how many times you are able to give your best. The more they participate, the better they are able to perform on a stage. The next point, we always need to understand that do not compare with each other. Since I have twins, always a comparison is there by the viewers, even though as parents we don't want to do it. So I always tell Enoch and Keith, do not compare Enoch and Keith, because there is no comparison between Enoch and Keith. Both are like my right eye and left eye, whereas there is no difference for it, and both look both should look similar, so that the beauty of the face will be enhanced. Teach our children to be confident. Indirectly, the concept of optimism need to be inculcated in this particular age group. We need to build a faith in the child itself. I need to tell my Enoch and Keith that I believe you, Enoch, I believe you, Keith, that you will do the best. So these positive words of yours can build a right spirit in your children. Even we have stage fright and anxieties before going for any kind of competition. So there is no words to explain how much more the children will be having. So it is the support of the parents will really help them to overcome their anxieties, which builds the competition. Nevertheless, one more point I would like to add is teach them to be humble and respect others, especially in competition, which is not seen in most of the competition. Everyone is so self-centered that they are not bothered about the next participant or among the participants. So these are some of the values you can put right at this age, so that the right competitive spirits will come, which will not destroy them throughout their life, which will build relationship among the participants, and by the end of the competition the children are able to get a good gang of friends. So hope this session is been a good episode, so that we as youngsters or mothers or fathers can bring up our children with good competitive spirit, so that they will become good they will have good adjusting capacity in their lifestyle. Till we meet next time, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.